This is ARHAR Masoor dal. So guys, let's open this 24 mantra organic turmeric powder, and I'm gonna put it in my boiled lentils to find out how organic this turmeric powder is. So wish me luck. So my mom told me to add around 1 tablespoon of this organic turmeric powder in the lentils. So guys, the color and texture of this 24 mantra organic turmeric powder is really wonderful. The color is really dark yellow, rich, and the aroma of this haldi is really mind-blowing.